In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in monday.com. To get started, open monday.com and log into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're signing in from a trusted device and that you have access to your phone or authentication app before you begin. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection to your account. So even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the second verification step. Once you're logged in, go to your profile or account settings. This is usually where monday.com keeps personal preferences, login details, and account protection options. Take a moment to look through the menu carefully so you can find the section related to security. From there, open the security settings or the two-factor authentication settings. This is the area where you can manage how your account is protected. If two-factor authentication is currently turned off, you'll be given the option to set it up. Choose the authentication app option to continue. This method works with common authentication apps that generate time-based verification codes, and it's generally considered both secure and convenient. After selecting the authentication app option, a QR code will appear on the screen. Open your authentication app on your phone, then use it to scan the QR code shown in monday.com. Scanning the code connects your account to the app, allowing it to generate secure login codes for future sign-ins. If scanning doesn't work right away, make sure your camera is focused clearly and that the full QR code is visible on your screen. Once the QR code has been scanned successfully, your authentication app will display a verification code. Enter that code into monday.com exactly as it appears. These codes usually refresh every few seconds, so if one expires, just wait for the next one and enter the updated code. This step confirms that the app has been linked correctly to your account. After the code is accepted, save the setup to finish enabling two-factor authentication. At this point, monday.com may also provide backup codes. Be sure to keep those backup codes in a safe place, such as a secure password manager or another protected location. They can help you get back into your account if you lose access to your authentication app or phone. And that's it. Your monday.com account is now better protected with two-factor authentication, giving you stronger security every time you sign in